Hello guys, it's Martin at Blackpool Automart. It's a very windy Blackpool Automart, so I hope you can hear me above the wind noise. I'll try and shield the microphone as much as I possibly can. Anyway, this is the car we're showing you today. Stunning Mini Cooper S. Just arrived into stock. Obviously the reg plate's coming off the vehicle. It is a private reg and you can see the edge of it on the advert. But what a lovely car this is, in a flat grey. I think it's flat grey. No, it's metallic actually. It's a metallic grey. It looks flat that, but it's metallic. I'm not sure of the name of it. I could find that out from BM actually. But what a nice car. It's got the sunroof. It's an opening one. It's not just a pan, but it's two. They're just the front section opens. The back one is fixed and they both got blinds. I'll show you them when we get inside the car. It's got lovely matte black wheels that the car came into us like this. Well, we've done is just given it a quick clean, but it got part exchanged into our Seat dealership, which is just next door to us. While I'm out here and showing you, I'll show you our Honda dealerships there. Oh, sorry, Honda Bikes dealership. The bike's in the window, give it away. And across the road is our huge multi-million-pound award-winning Blackpool Honda. Big dealership, and our valet bays and workshops are next door. And across the road is our Seat workshops, because we've got separate Seat mechanics and Honda mechanics. And over in the distance there is our paint and body clinic. So if any paint work or anything is needed doing on the car, it's all done on site. Anyway, back to the car. Like I say, it's just arrived in stock, this Mini Cooper S. It's the automatic variant as well. I believe they are very sought after. Front and rear parking sensors, pan roof like I mentioned. It's got the lovely twin pipes out the back that do set it off. I must admit it looks well. And I'll just pop the boot open. For a Mini, decent sized boot I must admit. It's got ivory leather, as you can see. You've probably seen it already. And it is an automatic variant, as I mentioned to you. We need to get into this car quick and get out of this window, I think. Anyway, because the reason for these videos, it's really, we're being your eyes, aren't we, really, walking around the cars if you were here. And I know people, we sell a lot of distance cars to people all over the country. You can check our reviews out if you want on our website, coxmotorgroup.com, coxmotorgroup.com. You can also leave a securing deposit on the car there, which means it's only very minimal, it's only £100. So if you do want to leave that, find the car and just click the orange button. Anyway, let's get back to the car. Like I say, it's lovely. I've done a sweep of the car before coming out to video it, and I am struggling to find any sort of paintwork issues on it whatsoever. All the wheels are very clean. There's no curving to any of the wheels. I've checked the mirror caps, that they're a prime spot to be caught, and all the bumper corners, they're another prime spot on cars, and I can't find a fault in this car, I must admit. For the age of the car you wouldn't expect too many faults on it anyway, but it is pretty much mint, for want of a better word. It's very clean. Anyway, let's get inside the car. You get the nice kick plate, the Cooper kick plate on the doorstep. Obviously electric windows, electric mirrors, height adjustment on the driver's seat, and it's also got a thigh extension if you want to just pull the lever out and then the thigh extensions come out. Like I said to you earlier, it is the automatic variant. Let's just jump in the car now, get out of this wind. Okay, right, we're in the car now. As you can see, go through what it's got. It's got cruise control, as you can see on the left hand side of the steering wheel. Across here is your Bluetooth phone answering and your volume. Paddle change on either side of the steering wheel, plus or minus. You can change the car and pop it into a manual mode and change gear on there if you wish. Just going to open the window because it's absolutely roasted in here. Down here to the sort of the brain of the car, really, everything goes through here. The media, the menu, the telephone, the nav, the radio. It's got DAB radio on this car, and it's got navigation as well. It's got air conditioning, and it's also got heated seats on both sides. Let's just start her up. So you don't need your keys out or put them in anywhere. They're in my pocket. Just press the button and the car starts. Lovely car, and it's also got head-up display that just pops up there, and it gives you the mileage when you're moving, and if you put your satellite navigation on, that will come through the head-up display as well, which is kind of cool. So yeah, you get your menu settings, and it's just you turn this dial around and you can just flick around what you want to go to. Let's have a look at navigation. Press the button. Let's have a look at the map. There you go, decent map. Very, very good sat navs on these Minis. We've had a few of these. Having said that, this is the John Cooper Works one. It's also got a couple of different drive modes, this car. Can you see the sport and the green button there? You just move that across and it pops up. Move it there and it pops down. Mid mode. So while I'm doing that, I'll show you what it does on the screen. So you're in green mode, pop it to the left, it goes into mid mode, which is a typical Mini driving fun. And hit it again, it goes into a maximum go-kart feel. What does that mean? I don't know. It'll be very, very sporty. It'll rev heavily through the gears. It'll hang on to gears longer. It'll be down on fuel, but it will give you that feeling that it's revving quite quickly, but it'll give you that go-kart feel. That's what it says there. I'm going to drive it in a minute and just see what it is. I have driven one before, to be perfectly honest with you, and it does hold on to the gear a lot longer, and it revs and revs and revs. What else has this car got? It's obviously got Bluetooth, and it's obviously got DAB radio, which is the clearest radio you can get. It doesn't have a CD player. People ask me a lot now about cars and CD players. There's very few cars now that have CD players. Everything's done Bluetooth through your phone, as most people know, but some people don't. The inside of the car is finished off really nice. It's got a lovely black, piano black gloss finishing that goes right around the car into the door cards and across the dashboard. That's a nice touch. Looks very nice. Obviously chrome chrome window switches and door handles, and they've got mood lighting. You can't see it too much here because it's so bright today, but they've got mood lighting all around the floor and into the door handles. And I'm pretty sure you can change the colour of that from up here because it's got a little green light there, and I think by pressing it, there you go, it's gone to blue, dark blue. It must be them three colours. Yeah, it is. So yeah, that's nice touch. So that's it really. I'll just nip outside the car and finish off. I'll just tell you a little bit about our company. It is a nice car. It's got into blue mode, which is mid-range. Anyway, the car's running now. Obviously, it's a petrol. It's the Cooper S, so it will like to pick its feet up. It's a lovely car, this. I'm going to drive it in a minute because I only drove it from the compound here. I'm going to give it a proper drive and see what it goes like. The car is ready now. It's gone through our process. It needs another valet. We valet them when they come in, then we valet them again when they sell to make sure they're 100% right. We offer a delivery service on our cars. It's free of charge. There's no charge for that, as long as it's UK mainland. We do need a little bit of warning for delivery because we need to get onto our transport department. But yeah, that's free of charge at the moment. We also offer finance packages, very good finance packages. If that's what you want, we can finance it on a PCP or a HP. You can find all the numbers out if you go to Cox Motor Group and find the car. Put your deposit in, it'll work the numbers out for you instantly at coxmotorgroup.com. That's the place where you're going to reserve the car as well. Joking. Or you can ring us, you can ring us 01253 600 900. You can give us a call, we can work the numbers out over the phone. Our website also will value your car if you put the reg number and mileage and a brief description of the condition. Again, that's at coxmotorgroup.com, so everything can be done at our website. However, some people do like to talk to people, which is fine. Give us a ring. Ask for myself, Martin or Cork. We'll look after you and give you figures over the phone. There's no issues there. We might need a couple of images of your car so we can value it correctly, and we'll probably need the settlement figure if you've got any finance outstanding on your car. But apart from that, it's quite straightforward. Most of it, or pretty much all of it, can be done remotely if you are distanced from Blackpool. Finance documentation can be all sent to you, and you can just do a couple of clicks and it comes back to me, and it's very, very straightforward if you want to do it all remotely. Or you can come into the branch and obviously drive the car, make sure you have a little car. But having said that, if you reserve the car and we deliver it to you and there's a reason for you not happy with the car, for whatever reason it might be, your refund on your payment for the car is totally refundable to you. So I don't think we can be much fairer than that, to be quite honest with you. Anyway, there you go. Have a look at some of our reviews at coxmotorgroup.com. See what you think. We sell all over the country. We've got hundreds and hundreds of fantastic reviews from customers who bought from us. They're certainly worth a look at. So yeah, everything's good on the car. It's like I say, it's ready to go. It's had all its checks. It's got great service history. I didn't mention the mileage on the car, but you'll have seen the mileage on the pictures and on what you're looking at now. It's done. Let's just shut the door because it's telling me the door's open. There you go. 5 miles, 27,121. That's nice mileage. Just to turn the car off, you just do that. Turns it off. Windows are going up. The head-up display disappears. Jump out of the car. All done. Ready to go. Okay guys, that's enough from me. I've babbled on long enough. My name's Martin, I'm the sales manager here. It's been my pleasure to bring you this lovely Mini today. Don't think it's going to be around too long, so if you're after a lovely Mini Cooper S in a lovely grey, this is the car for you. Take care guys, speak soon, stay safe.